Abu Hazim states that some people came to Hazrat Sahal bin Sa'ad radiyallahu anhu arguing with one another about the kind of wood of the Prophet's pulpit. Hazrat Sahal radiyallahu anhu said, "By Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, I know the kind of wood of the pulpit, the one who made it, and I saw Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam sitting on it for the first time." Abu Hazim says that he said, "O Abul Abbas radiyallahu anhu, narrate it to us." He whereupon said, Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam dispatched a messenger to a woman. Abu Hazim says that Hazrat Sahal radiyallahu anhu told the name of that woman too. Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "Ask your boy, a carpenter, to make a wooden pulpit so that I may address the people sitting on it." That boy made a three-stepped pulpit of tamarisk. That pulpit was placed at this place at the behest of Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam. I saw Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam stood on it and pronounced takbir, and the people as well pronounced takbir in his lead, while he sallallahu alaihi wasallam was on the pulpit. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam then raised his head from bowing, retreated back down the pulpit, performed the prostration at the foot of the pulpit, got up again on the pulpit until he sallallahu alaihi wasallam completed his prayer. Thereafter he sallallahu alaihi wasallam turned towards the people and said, "O people, I have done it so that you may follow me and know my prayer." Sahih Muslim Hadees number 1216.